Yamo kwaba yamo ache do Badwam TV Badwam dwumadie yi so. De edu so no ye Badwam kase ensam no ne etodwa wo mu bi a wo betini National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat. Womo ene enku ahodo bi aka won ho aboma river ankobra no so womo aboawram ekohwe de ekoso no ne nsem bi na no pay ye de browse Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV 2 na kwa adomonline.com ensemi ni nsembebre ewo ho medi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de bientie se de nsem ni chemu ankasa etie National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat on any Western Regional Security Council Western Naval Command and Zama East Blue Water Guards and a one more abody a room and cobra show no so kwa operation ewo so na so ani so catcher na mia hudo bi a wo mko ye no eni
Operation Ekoso no Blue Water Guards any 9 months task force eka wonu bom efa nsuo na no ne ho ana womo eyi womanfo a womo etu egudie ewo kwan bone so ewo ankobra nsuo no enchen anamo a womo etu yei womo eje womanfo yi enfidie a womo ede ye saa galamse yi bi enfidie a womo eje ye no ebi ene champagne moto titafo ebi pumping machines solar panel bonframa ye standing fan ibi TV and gas cylinders nhihye ya na womo ahihye edegu eye river nanu no womo asai ni na
About time be empemenim enene wonu mani abrese krodomo ehwese school placement no wonu mo ebegboawramu na wommanso anya babie akọ suku na no mu no aseye hwe humasua so se wonko akomanto wonyem na sede etie bia no bia issue bia hawo no ombehwe asia no.
As we speak to us at this moment, the system is up and running, and it's very effective and efficient. Because of the anxieties and the traffic, we actually anticipated, because people were actually waiting to find results of their placement. We saw that there was actually so much traffic on the system as at the time of the release. The technical team, together with my team, worked throughout the night to stabilize the system, and the system is up and running. People have checked their placements. Some had earlier checked and they had a status of pending placements. Those ones have been resolved and resolved very well.
We nam so madum kase bwana kopi mu e National Resolution Center wono mu ebi edema omanfo bewo ahawa hodu nyina yekoye no awofu bi yekoto wono mu ne wotwetwe nkoma wono mu kire se mo ha wode ba nyina empanyifo ahwe asa no ede ama wono mu
oba ha unyi time bia no as one beka say print ya kola ne resource o print ya o de kwa no ma check your system ni mama to o mo check your system ma school a wunya ya no ma catch your straight away ya check ya almost you have no placement at this time it's na a warrant since dawn ya try and a kola ne so say wanya ni grace and a wonya school and mate ni bi so wanya intime say ni o me mra e ha no na ye check e bedu ya kwa ye ndi 2 minutes kwa ye.
Akuafo ya womo agogo Asante Achim North Mensimu na wosre aban no sankabeya baby a womo abo homodin wokuamu akono de womo hia tomato processing factory ewo ho sebeye betumi akenya na aboama tomatoes dwadie wo ho no akwanim the aban kan de emwaye tofo ni kire se ye pese akaban ni beto ni ye nsam fa nkoma school for no se wo koton kuafo ni nsam straight ya no aduane aboye ye nya adwuma nye nti ye sira ni se on de o beto ni ye tofo ni ye nsam no fa nkoma school for no sam ye sira no aye no ayagigi aye de adwuma nyina anye sa ye sika behye ti se obiani na adwuma ye so adwuma ye ya se oma pa ya hanum se ya tofo ya ntoma mo dia eye ba omo ko kuafo straight Emanu yaso aye kokon ye to na biafon sam ton yaso ye nya dwuma ye ya no biane bebo nti aban ni best ani say ye ya ko chebo no na ya ko ni biafon sam no na omo abeto wo ye omo abeto wo ye wa ko ma school eno bebo ama ye nyina ya
my secondary school for the son of Betiniato. You come, I don't do son of Betinia for my it's near the Betinia boy. It's getting here a kind of a factory, and then in here, factory, I'm never boy.
School for no, on the one. On which my baby to be a cop, my car, they are factory, no one. Papa.
Yanto so na Design and Technology Institute ene Mastercard Foundation na fe National Development Planning Commission aka won ho aboma eye 5th National Precision Quality Conference akoso enkran.
We're working in partnership with the Mastercard Foundation, and more importantly, we're also doing a lot of work with the Ministry of Employment, Labour and Jobs, and then the Youth Ministry as well. So I think this is, for me, in the right direction, that government really recognizes that this is a conversation that they cannot drive alone. And so it really excites me that I think all the work that we've been doing in the last few years really has come to bear. For us, private sector doesn't just talk, we actually just do things. And so the next steps from here will be the follow through to make sure that we continue to deepen the work that we do, but this time round bringing everybody on board.
We ena oswafo nehwe enyuma ni pade won nsem o mayimu Dr. Abdul Rashid Hassan Pelpo enso nkasa yimu no wode nsem sei etudwa.
More and more technology is changing. The work elements are beginning to redefine themselves. And so it's important that we create the needed human resource that can respond to the demands of work today. DTI is giving us a clear picture of the kinds of young people we need, the kind of training we need to give them. And so we are very excited about it.
Pia manyoko no mu pani anani da kwan se wo betu franka ama wo mo ya betifi wo mro hye bedwani owura Brian e champon na wo se mampani John Dramani Mahama memuedi ye environment no wase no kura de ntimo wo kasa no eni
Galam say ene obi a kan wasa because ene ukokumase se wo kasa wo pe nsuo ato a se be se wo anto brudo a e nto nsuo ma. That is where we have gotten to. Company I will be a pensio ato. And they are serving guests are ever had now. Company said the insulin a dose in German ton my head. And it is going to get worse if something is not being done about it. But the aspirations of the people, they say, MPP are buying and combating us so I will break up. NDC for almost so good gun or moon or the bench parliament, move here, but to yes, you buy a mobile is been worse. Also, what for gold every 1.5 billion, they are called 5 billion. Gold, no go 2 way.
And what you were to us, and this was doing so, Pesse, obey my penny or my gun and mono or beshe, no baby, you mamma, Mobrania Biaye, or man for home buying, was Sia dying so ama in Puntunuma at Wasso.
The first one is going to be on infrastructure. The second one is going to be on security, and that is in 2 parts. The first one is safety, territorial safety, and the second one is public safety. All these internal strifes that we're having in the country, you will not have that when I am president. I know how to deal with them.
Mensi krache ya wono wobo di mensi mu ye Stephen Bedu na wobo MPP abandada na na dodan kwa Akufo-Addo di animu no esobo semfie nwotwe o mbetena so nyina no won anye bibia ama bodifo emu nsemni.
If it's we have previous government in the term na project bi omdo omsakan e bia ni wo mtimi complete here, especially Uba Mitman district here. Project bi ni wo mtimi wie entino ensemble now program we are buying and last year am ye hunyema bia ni so a from here no I will say you can rectify.
Coordinating director ono nso ewo Elembele Alhassan Muhammad enso din semse tuja.
We have a lot of potentials and the vision of the district is to maximize these potentials. When it comes to natural resources, we have gold, we have cocoa, we have oil, and so on. So these are some of the resources that we have that we want to harness on them to make sure that we are able to use it to develop the people. The mandate of the district, as far as coordinating director is concerned, is to better the lives of the people. And this is what we are focusing on.
Akachi no DC, Nekpando DC, Womusu din semse etuja.
My district is a highly poor district. And so there is a need to turn things around, to urbanize it. So by so doing, I am talking about job creation for the youth, because most of the youth in the district are unemployed. So there is a need to generate job for the youth.
Dwamtnani Edema Accident Victim Support Foundation, a Reverend Cyril Benedict Crab, or say National Road Safety Authority in 24. Amamre bokwan sokosokosa hu da wuro wo munyiri mu pa na nkwanhia na no ayedin. Breakfast meeting na won any clergy and sorry asofo no mo hia e na wodin semi etudwa.
Akwanhia no avoidable. Take it from me, avoidable. Ebetumi ansia no pa. Nemum se mrano mugu na nipa fi se akwanhia o ma akwanhia sia ne ho bekoson obekọ akonanti free dia ene de bia ne bekoso ne aye se entumi punish nipa e ma ne hu ne se akwanhia ye oyeyi wapu nipa enti e ma ne nante ho e be serve as a deterrent ama wo mo aye mo adwene se wo be kan de wo mo pe enti anka ye de se anka National Road Safety Authority wo mo sem gudodo National Road Safety Authority wo mo nyo mo adwene se wo mpe so ma akwanhia ne ba fom na nka ye adwene a ka ye hia imra ano be yedene yete so obi akun obi a yate se nipa no yache no no yade na hyefi ase.
Kane Director, Emma Securities and Exchange Commission, Reverend Daniel Ogbami Tete, enso di tujase hu behia paasa hyemkafo ehyen ya womu twie no. Baby etochima womu hwe na womu emia ni funu. Akwan ahodo so a contractors yeso adwuma no. Womu hwe nsiesie na akwanhia emra fom.
We need to put in place a system where we are regularly maintaining our roads and doing it promptly. And you say be a BBC and San now bones and I think it's about everybody being responsible.
Adom TV Badwam kase na hana brema kwan na no pay DSC. Ya da so mre no wadaje a wode ma ye de do so no sports. Any online. Any the one krata no. Kwasinsia Boateng, Eric Akwesibu di Asiedu Nketia amankwa tamaklu. Ere twaso. Wesbe mu akwa be.
Afia me joso.
E bia boko de.
Nyame ti ase.
De nyame ase.
Kakaka na otwe so ekwa akogua ne sa.
Agua no na efia
da yes. And we are going to have one of the longest holidays. Yeah. Ti juada holiday. Juada holiday. Yere bebe adwuma. Any holiday bia.
Chese. Asemu.
Eji obebia. Ye bebe.
Jira mu den.
Yes, o man adwuma na ne hia ye.
Sa.
So man tumpa. O man bapa.
Sa.
Eti adadwada manfo da fie. Edwudwu omo ho no.
No mo hweye.
No mo hweye no. Na yeso ejida hanom e serve omo. And they fed breakfast in bed.
Hey. Asemu. As what hona otwetwini mu. Oh, nyame adom. Sene de won se bibia voice no bibia ye kama. Nyame adom. Ti de meka che obia ne se kwasi. Nsu enwunu de agyanom. Enyina ye ntra ne enom warm water nom ne ade. Ebeboa ye mpa warm water. Akwasi buadi say was starting e de no. Onum warm water. Wonnom kura abenom because de ye o video mu no. Anya obi na beka. E wo so wonnom warm water na clear system no. A system let me ade no ho. E bibia ye kama. Ti yema akwasi buadi so akwabe. Akwasi yema akwaba.
Meje so. Hey, na akwasi we dey facha me o.
Adai.
Efia minim se, I say anya no credit but.
Anya no credit jakan.
Akwasi. I say so say parent bi na manfo bi ye no. Say Black Stars qualify for World Cup. Say like say we call to Group E.
Oh, Jai.
Na Ghana, Spain, England, Argentina.
Oh,
na see
Oh, say young boy you cry the fact that you cry na here now.
No, say coefficients no. The CD some of the countries. The second countries now boss no. Be din so mun nyina be ko group ba.
They say group ya.
Ti ana modern boni say CD bi ni a check ya no magu so.
Okay.
Ti a telephone.
Me sure.
Ti check so na. But ade ya wo kan no. Kwesi we say to say was holiday.
Yeah.
I can breakfast in bed.
Okay.
Hey, kwesi breakfast in bed. Okay. Now, no papa, no papa be fine. Ya bo banku soft.
Ada also.
Eshumako. 1,000 guha. Sausage kakra guha.
Be shit him.
What's that?
Okohwe nwo.
Koshia ya che da fa me boa.
Ai.
Banku breakfast in bed.
So o say e mu anu asem kakra.
Banku no so nya de ye soft na ne pepper no.
Oh yeah. Banku de banchi mori akumpa.
Hot. Na wo pepper no so ye level.
Awurade.
Say e kan pepper, nya pepper biara ne pepper. E no ma tomatoes ne no so. Say beti su. Chini mako na ni je ne na de garlic ne ginger na wo.
Agba afua wi
na tilapia no ho emamia ene me je o pa.
Kwasi we ya kan no. Why ni na awie no. No be dan no so hye. Kwasi
no so hye na sa no be.
O we ni be hye mafu. Aduane am use me. Eno na ma ne ye no. Oh.
Ye ho e be fa.
Sa on.
E be fa. E be fa na.
They are 23.
Mwadaroma. If you are boys and girls. Why almost ade ne be mu ntimumu. I am here for years.
Yeah.
Last week, I made testimony. Topic Ben ye. Monfanya camera or Mujina Chile be out or Monte. Ye we are probably so Monte.
Topic
I know ma.
Oh, topic de be. Sanano, my massage and crofo show. And
your massage. Me say topic last week, yeah. Eh dear, would you jay? Me some question, make I see a so.
Okay.
Send me fiada. And then so unquahia 8 p.m.
Okay.
Na Bosumi we no World and Heart Month.
Okay.
Your boy akuma no ehun ban. Ti enne ye kasafa akuma ho.
Okay.
Nenra na me hu post bi se kolebu. Just 6 months no. Heart-related cases are all recorded, 2,800. So wow.
Broken heart can
broken heart and can and the opa na unya. Because I know.
You feel debut. Yes, I'll pay.
Debbie, me ya baba no so. But me the bad health no.
Mo kan no kan ho de
akwasi eno na me catch akwasi square mugina he. Any other members first of all, so ya akwasi. And then akwasi 4 minutes ye. Ba we dey na efiada, nti efia no ko fi dey. Edu kwasi ada no ma begina so. Ma ye mude no. Ti dey make dey so ne say, your lifestyle.
Edin.
Kwasi be 2 months or so dey me kan kwasi nsia. Na okọ yi bi mu kakra oba na ne so ban sesa.
Ne ho ya shikiri kakra.
And oba ye behwe. No yese no yese. Oh, mama yen twa ma bibi nsia sa. Mwadaroma ye lifestyle no. Ye hwe hu.
A bit is saying.
O like wadi die mu. Ye ni di yie.
Oh.
Ye ni di yie ye nyansanom. Enkyere ne do so.
To once a while cry na.
Jai ye kan ajeje hu we bia ni o.
E bo say jai, but e mu ase.
Ba hu say ade no wo ye de ya wakoka ahwe. Utumi ma ni nya ya.
Okay.
But se so kura ba form.
Yeah.
Ni ye check ye BP. Kwasi BP na ekuye yo. BP no ye nimo.
The non-communicable diseases.
And diabetes. Medofo ye check it. Say you abusua na ehu say bia akoma ya re no wo mu a. Yen ya ye be no. Ye ebrano no ye check it. Ade pa tumi de akoma ya re ne ba no eye BP no.
Yeah.
Obi wa won check it but unam ho free hwinsi. Adabes obgo akwa check it.
Na owu a no.
220.
Who say ade ba ko ha crop say ebima de ato motim say wani ehu a enya time. E jolo onko kra nkwohwe ne akasa wo.
Na ne yema kwotehye no.
Ene wa ehu na onim say no na bia bia. Ba no so na e more dangerous say. E dey be count no. Anhwa no anyanko.
Sa. Enu ti na me say BP multimedia de nyame enu ye mpedifo mtim so no ma sorry. brano sa BP say live from 30 but you also answer any team no maba no be check here wa wo multimedia won check o de na wo menim
wa na peso
sa check it
cause
no na status a enku
oh
edro wo ho
ebo ma wakasa kwa control ebo lifestyle no so onim say obi bia akosoro ani ma bi wo ho awonye
sa
onim say sugar akosoro ani ma bi wo awonye
nti se wonim de a na wodigum na mon kan kire mu nua mo mema no BP edro no enkum hwe na enu no wo mo na hodo nti e bia akwasi square mu fa we no adwojo niema no nche se no ano no
niema dwojo yi o niema dwojo yi
enu na ekum no niema dwojo no ko doctor no ho back ka se we no mi esi mi se na ye
e ma me sorry
hadwen
sa dan se wo be jai kura sa
okay
na so wo jai kura
ko to be honest sa message na ko se BP edro kum e
be
ma me ma be preach mo
sa message nti wo he wo ka kura wonte nti wo de be hye no ho a na enu mo maku no but any kwan se ku I know ho nti se mudi a kire de ahwe nkwa hie na na e be no ha nti na me kire se na fie ya sha se me tete ho amo because minim yen college wo mu gina so wo mu ti obi wo no na na adwen ko so se nkwa hie na e de aba Fridays 8 p.m. nti en na ye di heart no ho nkomo e ma no mo yentie 8 p.m.
wow
nti we de honorable akwasinsi odaro ma JP so we ma kwan ya mre no kwa akra yenye mu ma sports ye ba na me no so de ahihye so ara see agwazi
me da say masom live and of course na I feel thank God it's Friday no be born nyom and na Friday and na Friday wo sika twawanum ne nipa nche na wawu isi aso na fie tufo ehu pa now ye ba ni say ana nsema ekoso ofie na amano ne ya che ne kofu de bro ana doso de se fata sa otini ketewe se anya de duru ewura bia na ya ba ni sa no na Franco Trading Enterprise fun papa fie na de esi akonkon sa appliances papa fie na de esi akonkon sa de nsem no at eba now Leon o say Dr. Afia Mankwata Makro Ophelia ade to dwa say broken heart nka heart de nsem no enti enya wa dwe nya broken heart enti wo so ho asem na ye kana bi ye ko mu akoma na kasa original one no mo de ne fake akoma yare so UEFA Champions League and Manchester City Galatasaray kwato twede kan buka mu then Barcelona etimi Newcastle who face airport and only other matches a Barcelona no me de won sama by na no pay but you can share highlights e wo if you me the other results not to watch them UEFA Champions League and well at the yen share send other results no so is here call yeah na kopie mo wo Copenhagen game when I can catch on that this is a Club Brugge and Monaco 2-2 and of course Frankfurt my team Jira Monai so and Galatasaray we were 5-1 Shannon Sumame that was the results about so this is it 5-1 and Barcelona ball Newcastle 2-1 Monaco rather beat Monaco and Club Brugge ball Monaco by 4-1 Copenhagen and Leverkusen a year 2-2 and Sporting Lisbon Karate for no mudi kan Sporting Abomo 4-1 and then of course Man City winning by 2-0 we need the cross in the UEFA Champions League the one some pro now now ya can say no this weekend matches across Europe in the Italian Serie A in the EPL in La Liga in Bundesliga in the French League you send fixtures no here this weekend. Yes, na screen is here. The Italian Serie A, Honomo Sanso, na the Acao Lecce, and on Cagliari in Airbo at 6:45 p.m. on Sunday. There's Bologna and Genoa, early kickoff. There's Hellas Verona and Juventus, Udinese, AC Milan, and Airbo. Now on Sunday, there's Lazio and AS Roma, Cremonese at home against Parma, Torino and Atalanta, Fiorentina and Como. Now for Inter Milan and Sassuolo at the Pem. So then on Monday, it will be Napoli versus new entrants Pisa. Italy. Now, straight to Spain, there's Real Betis, Real Sociedad. On Saturday, there's Girona and Levante. Real Madrid, Espanyol at 2:15. Alaves, Sevilla. Villarreal, Osasuna. Valencia and Athletic Club Bilbao. Rayo Vallecano on Sunday. On Celta de Vigo. Now, Mallorca and Atletico Madrid. At the Bueni Elche, Real Oviedo. Because Zibo will be in action. Now, Barca. And so, so in that last game, and on Saturday in England, the Merseyside derby, and it's an early kickoff. Nti ya no why careful. Liverpool versus Everton, Brighton over Badwam, and Tottenham Hotspur, Burnley, Northern Forest, West Ham United, Crystal Palace, and a day Airborne na afi ya share say Wolves and it leads about West Ham, Crystal Palace. Now Manchester United and Chelsea, match of the weekend. Ready Yankopon match and I'm happy. I mean to say Fulham and Brentford about kwasi they be Bournemouth of Newcastle after losing to Barcelona, how they come back in that game. Now Sunderland and Aston Villa and Bebona Arsenal, so the Man City is another big game. So 2 big games over the weekend is Man U, Chelsea, and it's Arsenal, and then Manchester City and one summer and the Arsenal and the so baby. And I want a way to meet City too early, but Sana is sitting. Yes, clapping for us. Sana tenning. The Ghanaian Premier League match day 2 is also on this weekend. Here is a fixture CCT. Koroko and a Gold Stars Boy Africa, but the league continues and and Nemidiema and a Vision Beppo at 5 p.m. at the TNA Stadium. It will be live until Tiano and Soma. Now Saturday it will be Hohoi versus Young Apostles. And here's Saturday game 11 Wonders, Heart of Lions. Now, let's zoom straight into Sunday. Samates ball against Karela United. Bichim Bebo against Bashake Holy Stars. Swedru All Blacks. Yes, homecoming versus Brooklyn Chelsea. This game will be beautiful. Adriana Stars and Nations FC in Bebo. So now, on Monday, it will be Dreams at the Ni Ajay Kraku, the second sports complex, against Asiedu Nketia Accra Hearts-of-Oak. Inti Shana South Mame. We are Ghanaian Premier League one summer. Now, Franco Trading Enterprise can one pay yeba. Phone, appliance, papano, Franco. Imboost a bam make push in a drone in here. Channel so mame, a imboost, or cover be a ton drubia so per imboost. A boost 2 immune system, no my Arabia through. Yarabia is true. Young quite a World Athletics Championship. Now, one of our hopes at the Athletics Championship and about to bear a Rose Yaboa. Rose are qualified for the next round of the competition. Asiama Ebwemu.
The last time a Ghana ni ayesa abakwasem wei 2005 Ignatius Geza ono etimi ekokopie mu ewo long jump finals emfe edionu enie Rose Yaboa Amankwa ono nso ayesa abakwasem wei ase omanfo ebekaya Rose Amankwa 2023 All African Games a etodwa no ade ne se ono Ebon homodin eji gold ena wasan ababaya abakwasem ewo World Athletic Championship etodwayi kwasiada anopa ena finals no ebetodwa abra abo nondu apa ho sima aduasan afei ye hwe nimu se Team Ghana yani da so ba konso aka 4x100 meters relay men's ebetodwa nyame bo china nopa abla abo nondu ba kon apa ho sima aduonu enum na finals no so no atodwa nyame boa kwasiada na yehwe se Team Ghana yede bibipa bi ebabe piemu ewo Ghana hanom. The last time a Ghana ni.
All right, so Saturday, that is tomorrow. Yeah, how the final will go. Rose Yaboa making Ghana proud. Ache, say Ghana need be to me. I do a final of an individual sport. Credit to Rose. TFS will be to boy more final anymore. There's also 4x100 this weekend. And also so yeah, baby any bako at the power say to me a faza matimo. In the hits and the likes, I'm fat, but 4x100, I'm on your moon, I'm on team until mine anymore. Oh, come pa, there. The SCAF Champions League and no bad thing. The Accra Sports Stadium on Saturday, beginning Gold Stars versus JS Kabylie of Algeria. Oh, match in there, but Vincent Atinga, a defender, and the beginning Gold Stars.
Sena di kan fonu ko ye di sabti kan fo so ye be yire on se ba se nka ma ti mo fan pa montage no Accra Sports Stadium ya bobo woda e ko league na o han ye mo ti ati se enye ade fufu ma e ba de be ha na se yes for distance ni mu de be ha na so ne bi en tuma but ya ko Africa de mo jiri se so tese no anya kura bi betuma ba ko ati se enye problem na ko Accra Sports Stadium de o han ye be bo league match se na mo ti ati se ground so no ya se ye home ground so de me catch on so mo form pa montage
Right, and so I know the Vincent Atinga Tudra. So we are hoping to see a very good game at the Accra Sports Stadium. Intikashan into FM yeah now. Yeah, Shenimo as Georges Gatagato from Burundi. and our Bayer center referee in that particular game, where FIFA referee, we very experienced and teacher. So assistant referee, Emery Niangabo, and I think Olivier Nibogora, and so the assistant referee Chu, Omona Ebobojuma, Nabibia, Atimi Ako ye Burundi for Munyina Burundi for Ombehena Bibia, Timi Akoye, Gold Stars versus JS Kabili, and VVIP 100 cities. VIP upper a 50, lower VIP a 30. The akaina a free. Until a VIP 30 Ghana, VIP upper 50, VVIP 100, and not the obitria. But the akaina, baby, I bet in a piano, we move free and on a way screen is so into and Shakoroko. And the Quara United is also on Sunday. We are Saturday, we are Sunday. Koroko popular stand a 50 cities, lower VIP 100, center line is 70. Upper VIP 150, VVIP 200. Now, much the most of the bus is Sikumasi na oma base. Fans na Fikumasi aba. Omo the Ayalolu buses in the Fikumasi eba. Ha, and ultimate sports shows so go for sending message. Hey, mo the Ayalolu Fikumasi bankran. Now I say yes, the Fikumasi. When I say Ayalolu, I can say Achemonte to Odoko. I say Debbie, the Fikumasi eba. And see, Koroko fans, Omo Kumasi. Pacho mon shaden so my say yeah basimu nyina de aba na ma be hebo na ma na efe. It will be on Sunday at 3 p.m. at the Accra Sports Stadium. So yedi kan akara Ghanaian Premier League ho asem shaden so say gina so den enya asem keto Accra, and tomorrow ye gina ya nan mu ehwe se kwan bia so no ye be balloting for dame balloting at the madame no nti sanema ready no ye get balloting ye get balloting wi na fe ye hu. The Mishiano and then 64 players and I'll try ballot your man Adom TV so. And this dame idea by an obey ding be that. The TV station be a jet dame a year and yasi yen saying on the BC da. Yeah, they buy a dame TV show on Adom TV. Now, Franco Trading Enterprise from Papa Fee say Nokia, Samsung, iPhone, smart TVs ranging from 32 to 55 inches. Tabletop fridges, Franco air conditioner. Hey, the air conditioner.
You see, Adom TV ni. You made the near dami. Na midindi Alfred, eko simple. Na Adom TV me do bukom no. Me ahone mifi Jamestown. Nti mintina fie na obi mfi be echiri ton ma fa cap wo mi fie enko. Nti saa de ndi obi amra me fa cap no. Obi antumi me. Yo.
Mizinzi na nagbesi me fitakra de West Region but me kagada ho e komi anka nda mo fa cap no mam no fa nkwanse say when it comes to draft Adom TV Jumedi ombedi 27 no mo fa cap no fa mam preko say minimum say competitors bebre na be de baba but eventually I will prevail omunim na mbetima ye takra de fu tie mi Ghana fu nyina etie omunim na mbetima ye wo dem omom ba nyina omu participate there but eventually na breach will prevail inte mo fa cap no mfa mam preko na mfa ko medam ase
ya fam David me fitashi ba metoma ogada metoma ashaiman me tashi champion ba me ka shaman team ho Adom TV dame jumedi ebedi obi aka ne de ba me ya kan aye bi da say me imagine bi da nti no anything can happen ye mu bi no ye nsheda ye but ban critical a bibi etimi si ye betimi etutu nkrofo ho ye ho odin but ye di si nti say da no du ho a obi a oye oye interest or da me on be hwe bi e wo Bukom Arena na ye de agro from edu ho na ebe hu de oye kila
Mediani Thomas Do aka Kweku Aigbe Adom TV Jumedia ADA draft EDA media me budget dia that's so ina media me budget nti omo ba de omo ntu omo adwemu ni o so ye be ma no ombra obeba betu be ma ho do bibiasi ashaima katamanso yeah Kweku Aigbe Kweku Aigbe oh maji ewie hwan na betimi ni mato maji ewie ni o so betimi ni mato na o me show ni powers ni yenhwe
ya fra me kwa me ketwa me fi dansoma me dansoma boy me Fred dansoma fo nyina say Adom TV for your program e fe ne dame koso Bukom Arena
me pese dance ma fo nyina beta mechi na me gye sa competition no currently me dance ma champion ti me to me nsa fro bibiaro to da me dance ma obi biaro bebe bia mabone da mese abomu biom nti dance ma fo mo nyere mo na mo mra obia obebe bia se oye ni ayi o se oye adai o se oye kikiwe o uya abu national o kwekwa igbe o bra ye wa ha nyina me pe na metuma bo ni ayi 10 at a setting obia anya ebida me na me senior player no me to me sa frɛ mo momra na mo mehwe kwa me ketwa on show enye de omo keka no momfa mo anim behwe e wo Bukom Arena 27th September mombo mode na momra mehwe dame time ni 8 o'clock.
Yada se yansa mo akwa ba biemra Adom TV Badwam dwumadie no eso health tips no nyamishra so tie nti sa na ye no 5 minutes edwada de kosi fiada faseda no ma endpoint homeopathic clinic one wonder roma na yedi sa nkomo nti yare bia hawadwea medofo ne endpoint enkasa kokko check your prostate no mema no ma September ni ntwamansa no arahye kocha scan no ya ma free ko hesa prostate ne ho te say 0244 867068 0244 6870 867068 now when a dog edi enkomo anopai de minua mema aba Albert and Richard ewo ha ye ba bedi nkomo afa Afrilac Lotto eho de aye ne die e de beta tawa go for your castle tell on so nya bidi be me ana emo makwa abai na bibia boko de adwuma ekoye bibia boko mo ya de adwuma na mo ye no bi bebusa se eye Afrilac Lotto no it's about dear Richard.
All right. Afrilac no a lotto company. Na ye lotto, a pure lotto business. Na ye dinya ya register a Afri Lotto System Limited. Na e dinya ye di ye jumane say ye trade name no a Afrilac Lotto. Na ye lotto no na message ye from 1 to 57. And to say there na ya ye name no. Ye do also ye use 6 numbers. Inti ma oboni beka say winning chance of winning is very high. And after so ye draw me nsa ye wanapa de ye draw ni 10 o'clock anapa ye fe na anapa bosio ye ewiade so ye fe midday cash ye draw no 1:30 and ye ni be so draw ni 7:15 and the bad life our UTV.
Okay. So wow. And you say number no 1 to 57.
Yeah.
Hey.
1 to 57.
Wow. Now I'm 57 and currently munya 1 to 60. And I trick ben na wo hu.
Ye wo say o boss nu so a ema ya ye omo forecast no mo twa no ye easy so metimi wini. Enti wa wo hwe say boy ye 1 to 57. Na yes as ye draw ye 6 numbers there. Let's just say ube wini wa Afrilac na very easy. Okay. After so ye na ikita jackpot. The biggest jackpot in Ghana and Africa. 70 million Ghana cedis.
Hey.
Yeah.
Sir.
70 million Ghana cedis.
Kofodi.
Albert.
And Kofodi. But for now, they will be to me. So far, the Obia will be 200,000.
Woo!
Yeah.
Obia Joko.
200,000. I think Obia 120,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nti obe try to say number sika bia obetimi dey try.
They tell they say as me colleague Richard Kaino, your games me know also. Your fair back mega jackpot and your classic. Classic near just your normal lotto in perm direct and banker. But mega jackpot you know a before the na that can local the no. Nti mega ni say no o mine 6 numbers. Na say o 6 ni na boa. And I said, Uchani 20 cedis are, and now to me we need 70 million Ghana cedis. But I said, Uchani 5. 5 is out, which means 70 million Ghana cedis. Ucha 10 cedis out, which means 35 million Ghana cedis.
Wow.
But PEM, no, PEM, but Ucha PEMA, and then they're from 1 city. Direct, so 2 cities.
I see. To obey track 1 to 57.
Aye.
The obetwa hobia to so open boom a no wako direct.
No. Any mega jackpot.
Mega no. I watch 20.
But let's say your games no on say you want opa. Anyway we are any number. Anopa de any anopa busu. And no mega jackpot in count.
Okay.
Intending just direct perm and a banker. Anopa de no you be really 10 o'clock sharp. Yeah, you're drawn.
Okay.
If we are near 1:30, and you say the same thing, perm, direct, and a banker.
Okay.
But in Yimbrady, and then they 657, on a jackpot in the wall.
Okay.
And then all you need is to give us 6 numbers. Into my 6 numbers now, that's all trying to 10 cities, and now 5 cities, and now 20, and then they are fixed. But say, I did back money, so great to mega jackpot in the say, me find say, oh my 6 numbers. That's a me find say 2, 3, 4. And now 5 numbers about
out of 6 now.
6 now. Still, ubenye sika, ubetumi ade. Assign the track. I assume audition. No assign in the track.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we win game. I tell you, obi bi ohwe bia, obefa phone. No adale *741#. *741#. Na ne pay ya yenya yetwa na pabosio. Enu ntini me ba mama obia 20% discount. E wo sika wo betwa so.
Wow.
Eti je ya de say, o se ba be di Christmas so, ye nyina ye hie sika. Bala bia school. E sika nyina akọ.
If you run so ene mra so.
And na afi so se boso so but I get salary in there.
Asa kwa ma we kwa abu no asa sika na sa.
Igwala isu de ya we say omunya makwan so e be di Christmas. Afi no be to bonya pabo bonya atade na ebusuafo de ode be ma mo tie nyina ye hiska enti me baba ma obi bia 20% discount enti fa phone na dali *741#. *741#. Obefa option 1 anapa bosio na ofa option 1 na obesa fa option 1 bi me direct game enti ofa option 1 anapa bosio na obehu direct na obehu pem enti wona message more than 2 sure se upta 2 sure and no obefa direct but wona message more than 2 sure permanent che say ebia uku afọ numbers if I say o can number no person on track can number 4 digit ba unnim emu de beba tan u betwa ne pen nti u be ye ne pen 2 nti anu asa che say emu 2 class eba wadibi sadete nti offer pen na anasa direct game na wa ma ye numbers obe sepeti na bia by space uko wonima abebisa ahia opese wuntwa no enti ano no wo bo 20 cities and 10 cities na wasako wonim eno no na yase bisa say utwa obetua 10 cities and asika na oda hyem no and say number 2 option 2 ne to apply coupon code enti o fa number 2 no o na discount ewo to fa number 2 na wa type BIG big ya pese obi awi ne big.
Okay.
Iti o tapi big idea. E beti usika na odi twa no so by 20%. Ba nyame adom na ye draw no na ona mesna wada man no e bope. Ubenya wofo amate say da odi 20 seeds na sika na odi twa no pepepe.
Okay.
Iti wo hwema ye no ye game no na say ye dwuma na ye very special. Edikan ye ne kita the biggest jackpot ewo Ghana and Africa. 70 million Ghana cedis.
Hey.
Eto so bienu ya pe ene sama discount e wo sika odi twa so na wo wini a ya sama full amount e bi si da e Ghana ha ena eto so biensa ya pe de ye boss 1 to 57 na ye do a say 6 numbers enti say wo be wini wo afla game no so de very high ebiom wo twa mega jackpot no aye ni brede no na say wo hwe nim say wo numbers no 6 numbers na wode aman no nyina bebo na we win no 70 million no na ebi anya nyina na boy say mutu wo ma 6 numbers na mutu kra ebo ewo jackpot game no twa no so a sika na wo de twa no wo benya times 3
okay
say mu 3 ba wo benya times 6 emu 4 ba wo benya times 50 enti say jackpot twa 5 10 and 20 enti say me twa 20 cedis na mama 6 numbers na emu 4 from the 6 numbers in the bar scale me 20 times 50 cedis I no ye 1000
wow
na 6 nyabo na we wini 70 million ya anepe de person obi wini
sir
yesika edaho yesika u wini a na afi de ekope wo yesika ya insurance ato so edaho na So far the highest 200,000. Second highest 120. It you know ye person obi wini say scano. Na on be few because scano there in fact ye ntimi wini.
What am nka ho.
Ye dey nka ho. Aha, ye dey ntimi ye dey this kadema. It Christmas day ka from na ko Christmas ye person obi entwa no on me.
Hash you can say
short code *741#. Who do baby payment no wa wo bo amount ni bia wo sako onima fa option 2 to apply coupon code. Now what type BIG big. It is big in the better to can also buy 20%. And this who try yeah an apaboso game no ya na pa de no. So who try midday cash e wia de no. So who try any be de no. So who try mega jackpot. What they used to big no. I bet you can also buy 20%.
Now my office no here.
All right, your office no Christian Village. Westland was Ecobank. Your top.
Oh, okay.
You ne La Paz Community Clinic
and
opposite. You bet you maybe shall.
Oh, okay. The entrance is here. Also first draw no and opabo show you 10.
10 and upper 10.
And then you are near 130.
130.
And then you may 750.
750. And by no ba our YouTube live after any layer your game no. Now you den
715 there.
715 there. Okay.
But they tell say anopa any area there no and omu yi no Facebook live. Hanto call na obe hu bibia ho. Right.
Ba contact bi any one so.
Your contact.
Fato ho na dia. E bia de wo kan nyina echi obi penchire mu bia what you say.
All right, your number here is 0540 130 359. 0540 129438. And our last one here is 0303 958006.
Nesika no yenya ebebie mu so ana ye ba ho beje.
Na chene say uwinia ejina amount obe wini but she can enshada nso bebia and ebe ba wo phone so. Aha. But say eso a and the ebe ma ba office na wa no abeje.
Yemfa mo si ha eda mo say ti Afrilac Lotto na ye no wodi nkomo itwai na bia 10 ya obedi bi
na me show
na yakoyedim
na tell say yen game no
time na so
I sabai we last one SOD 18 years and above and sana we twa and also in here
ano krepa
endelembra
unya 18 ya untimi twa unya 18 you are free
yes
yakwa be ba ebetwa so
okay
Yada say yasamu akwa babie me Adom TV Badwam na o hwe no medi afia amankwa tamaklo omre no wadaje ade amayenti asedan kan Lawson na bai I Virgin Son agenedwa ni papa Virgin Doctor enso wachire Dr. Che Lawson che menu ono so wachire aja opeke course no ni ade tie bedi nkomo enu no na wadwa maso yi obeka de bia ye bonipadua no mu bibi chire wadwen a number no de beto ho na nnedi nkomo Virgin Son memo akwa bai e bia boko de se doctor nso ho ye adwuma ekoye enyame ase ye nhwe local ne ana ye di kan hwede
me hwe local na se oye oba nti wa se me do oba de
sa
na mame na wase anopai ya me ba Adom na me hu bia na mani age
enyame ase
me hu ma akokọ a na mani age wa se me hu kan ye kokọ nti me pe oba bia akokọ asem
sa
wati ase ana manka ni
oh ye ye ade efe na o kan for ye
wati ase ye me man de ku technical eye wati ase ku technical eye no nti ye na ye hu ni ye efe ana mboa ba me nchia ya hwefo ne atiefuo nyina titiriw Virgin Son machitai for the Dr. Lawson ahwefo ne abijafo ena nso matena se biem ena ye Friday morning me sure say Jibre netie apobde wonsem ni bi esan se yare de ebe ni padua ma ema ni padua no intimi enye ne pese ye bia ema wo ha ema wasumgie e wa brabom enu dina da bia no yeguso a yebo yenuru dahuro ekira mansan se obia nkope binom na woni padua no kase na ewom ni intimi nya ahoodene moja intimi nya adwuma intini no intimi nya ahoodene se de be ya woni padua no ebe nyina so no be ye fe anase akwa na ewom no ebe ye kama kama na emum hye no so se ye de nroma akoma yensa ene ye de abadwa aman so Lawson Herbal Center opie kira kwan a ye wo Kumase Ebuakwa Kena yesi ye wo Kumase Ebuakwa Kena South na maamo Accra adwuma no ya terem ye pese nru no bia ansatimika bi inti Accra ha no ya bebie branch ewo Abeka Total yesi ye wo Abeka Total filling station no Tesana Commercial Plaza building enche ho pe anasa ase
and on Sabeka Lawson Herbal Center. Nemum Dr. Lawson say, Anopea Virgin Sun, Mafana Kunyano, why are ye any woody a see? In a wabama boo, when it does wasa, impo, wo ha no. Dr. Lawson's a friend, Nayam friend when he been count now to Timothy Apple. Into your numbers no, and a desk screen as no, a 0242 133 577 0242 133 577 0248 619999. My for metie for numbers no ene dia to no na menu aba se enuro no de o pepa no eye loke heba mesha loke nso ena ma me virgin san ene my popular e wo Ghana ha me fa ba bia na e boje be so enti mesrese ubenya me mugidie ene arehwemu se loke nko a ene eduru a ye de akutia enamu nsa yare a e wo be ma so na e wo ba so nemu made ba ko ne se sa namu nsa yare anase ode pua infection no ebe oba ni padua ma emo oba woni padua no ani die emmam emfa asundue emma wasetena mu emfa nkanko emma wasetena mu emfa mpuntuo emma wasetena mu emma sabi asundue kura ma woni be ma woni netintem eyedi entia because wahimfio no edurumre bi a wote se ya na hokeka wo ya na nsansa ebegu ahimfie ho edurumre bi a sabi wahimfio kura no woni be ma hia woni atenka because of odepu amowa odepu anti enei be ma ne ba wo nchen kura no opese wo no udi nhyiamu a na wo ko achi eya na wo fere because wonim sa ahimfie no tokura beda ho engine overhauling but onom loke heba mixture wenkuan infection edura ye de natural herbs ayam fa chemical bi amfra ya wonom a wo ba no ekum kura wo ahimfie ho na ma ahimfie wa dry eho atimi aya wensen na ma watimi asa ya virgin girl ama oni padua no baabi a afon no atimi ahyehye aya akese enti sa meka baabi a afon na sabi se oni padua na o de pua no ama eso ate ana o shape o hips no na aya ketwa wonom loke na oba pa no futire wo mu nti no emo oba no ni padua no esa aya akono ehyehye emani mpokua no emu eyedu eye krokro wa be krokro wa akono eye kese nso be kese kama eno na se be ma no nani bawso ana be ma na oyode ya na opese won sasa aka no no wanom loke na wie na ehwo achie te se selection e dia so mpaboa be 6 months a enwaida no eye asafra be ma no so oba no obowru ahimfie ho no ma be ma no onko biemu da obeti aka so obe ode ya forever enti oba bi amfa loke no nya wo duru a wode bobo ho ban afri namu nsa yare ho anasa wode besiesie wa himfie ama be ma ne ba wati manya no so mfaso na loke he ban me sha me ka ho asem no enye ma anko aduru enei mama no enso edi awre ho because be ma baba so ne ba so a onso so duru mra bi a e man sansa abeje wo mama ne ho fa eduru mra bi a wo junso ntantam bibiri eya wo junso a na wo be ma ne mu hyehyew wo junso a junso ne antimi emflow e bank tinkete enam so ma enei baba so ninti wodo ho ka oba na wo be ma adwojo onse ba sa eya na wusu udi awre ho na mo me tira wo se be ma enye be ma ne so ye tenten gram enye be ma ne se wa botai enye be ma ne se me virgin san me ba tv so a na me ye makese sem na me ye bold am de kasa na edu anadwo makosu dabi na mo ma ma sem ntimi nyina abra anwumra no betimi ye di wumensem na wo ma baba so no enku be ma no misra wo faloke ne ye wodru awalefo anumumum we na de asomdue enkabom ebo oba ne be ma asetrem enti misra aduro ne de e wo pharmacy e wo herbal shop baabi abekobia no enye na wo ho ni di no eye loke herbal mixture your numbers no eye 0242 133 577 0242 133 577 the atosu mienu no eye delay man capsules bema bia babasu ne wudi asia ene iwuni ahoto no se wo nom loke herbal mixture na esansa babasu no etimi bra sexual weakness nti no eya num delay man capsules ni ba eka loke ne ho na so num delay na ebebu ama masem no afa ne ntoma pefra enti ebi kura wo de infection woni bi nanso wo de sexual weakness na nkasa petre yo wo de ball ni ana wo da ya ene wo kwa ya sima na wo jemu e ba sa oba no na ne bu afu na wo yi ni nsa na wo de abo waso e ba sa na wo ra ho but me mo na gidi ani arehwemu se me virgin sande dilemma na manu munti no enei mi mu atenchia e wo ma hemfie da bia wo ba mi di mi mensem mitimi wura enti wo ba na ani die nko a na wo mi fie enti ba ma bia wo bobra na wo mpese wo mema sam ebe kofom wo pese wo sisi mutimi ya dene wo pese wo kotodwa timi ya dene na wo pa timi ya dene wo ntimi ya dene na wo hia wo ba na wo betimi ya wura no ama wo ba ne ho asane no ne ho adwiri no eya ma dilemma capsules ne mel enya adwuma instant yanom to ho enti wonu mienu anopa mienu anwumre wogusu awo no maduro na aduro ni siesie enti nya afa no wo ba ne ba upi akopa bibia ba no ma utia ya wo ya ama wakoma atwetwen dabi misunum delay no na fa twen oba no wo ba kosini animu ubetimi ya delay no oba no so ayo dia forever Mr. Lawson mixture e wo ho we ya malaria duro tatahwe obia mpa bi nonom enei wada ne still na emu onwunu se ba sa entontom ne yedi asie e ba sa emanipadua no kura no e ya na abre obi kura de ya ahotutuo obi de ya sasabro woda sori ase abro kete so woda na jwa wuntimi na nipadua ne mu hihyew ma Lawson mixture no enye wadru se wode ba kwatia general bodily pains no sisi yare no ukotodwe na ehunu no wo so ade ma na wonsa popo no nom Lawson herbal mixture ne bi enuo ni nyina ya me yensa majebre matenase machira wo ni nyina mu na mom me pesa wo sa gimidie na wo pe machira appoint no number no fa wate 0242 133 577 0242 133 577 0248 619999 meme virgin san ena me time papa chi ema dwumadie bia wo di bia no etimi wie peye entimi yakukoduru ni nti no me se wo hia me na wo ni taku wo ni sempoa wo ye oba wo ye bema wo hia me a nyagidie bomidin the virgin san na menye usu 50 Ghana cedis
yada se papa panti Lawson Herbal Center na yete won kano mame nkomra na yemfa ahosepe enhye so na yewie ahosepa ye beto so ye kwa basisia
Mama Kwaba Shonko Eba Kundum Festival 2025 way a mega bash no and then you may kwaku smoke that so Kofi Kinata at that so and an upcoming artist because you know we are here for the talents they are short so and what Chrome has say
let's go. Thank you so much, Mr. DJ. Thank you so much, Mr. Hey, oh, Mumo say. What the bomb say? Mama line back. My sister Sandy line back. Let's for Team G control and system man down below. Hey, we see we say every day. All right. Thank you so much, Mr. DJ.
Still, I discover a lot of talent. Our Exim Kundum 2025. Meeting the sister Sandy B. A guy. In fact, Obi, I introducing the whole real quick.
97 Avenue here.
Tawo Nkapa 97.
Jojo Mojo.
What's the matter, Jojo Mojo?
Tababoy Loco.
I am more.
Biggie Flex.
Just say together we a team and I say individuals.
Okay, for now, the family and but obi also one individual project is so good so yeah. Individuals collaborated, like, yeah.
And as I was saying, Moko stage, I won't quite to say, when so quite to say.
Nina vibe, but mostly, I mean, energy top notch, yeah.
90. What's one new my to say, on so number to say,
yes, start in number 5, yeah, boom. I say, they're individual artists, but more than group artists. We go as a family.
I was here, some of my crab being back, Sim Kundum 2025. Many of them are ready, they be an ethical problem. When engineer tight, yeah, you go problem lady and you do to me.
Hey, tidy energy. Yeah, near the Cocomem Red and Saka, you do so to him, so one.
Jeff, as a home support, you know,
it's like that, all of us.
And I feel need to say my one because I.
Oh, the feel was great. My menstruation was fundamental fancy, feeling a dope, or I had dying chin or to watch a shaman, yes. At the Papa no Abano, at us, Chakra, the second Takwa, the Endago. Yeah, I have a stage, your sister Bibia.
You're looking forward, sir. You be more of your tracks. It's only go figure out when you be or backstage and be performing.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, that's why I asked Zim Kundum 2025. Last year, I witnessed 7 year my performance. This year, so no masa witness CBM. Zuke. Akwa Baba Adom TV so.
Yeah, no.
But we are good. Met me I saw the eye of Nzema because what the Nzema language, you know, even Akono, yeah, you know, what the any money ADP, money ajuma.
That's all.
Na dey na inspire us so we do Chrome kasa Nzema be kwa probably akasa no. I have few people na tia but you are still doing it. What inspires you?
Yeah, the woman said me do me Chrome for me do me cross said the tie bia no me pay. Me pese me ma me sume de MPA. Emma amanse hu se enzima fo yeso ye wo bibia e hyiran enti no me bo me homode se de be metumi aye bibia ma na ye de epia bonten ama obi so hu bi sabi me mpo mentumi amfa nya obi e baba be ye ato so na ye din e da ho kra be hwe.
Now, still on the area, we are here for the talent. Many of them just on my side, so even with a bit of bad sound, you know, guys need the energy. Be now my last one I am there. You go slow, you go slow, you go slow. Hey.
No go slow, no go slow, no go slow.
Hey.
I'm on my way, no go slow.
Hey, 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 hey. What's the time on try? Young quiet. Hey, hey. Okay, young quiet, young quiet. Woo, woo, woo. Hey.
I'm on my way, no go slow. I mean, we love them, and then it's because of them we are doing what we are doing. So they should keep supporting us, and then
keep supporting. Believe. Can we be your fans?
I know I'm not that way. You believe them, music. Yeah, the masses. So opportunity I'm on my head. Move following where every social media and yeah. Believe Gang is on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, everywhere. Believe to the life. All media platform. Believe Gang, Creeper, Abano.
No go slow, no go slow, no go slow. Hey, no go slow. Oh, mo fambo. 1, 2, 3, uncle. 1, 2, 3, balls. Me that say.
Can you imagine that rap in the hand and the man putting the book G? And you laugh and you got to F. You go to the winner, you're a G. You put the million on rap way and the woman in your machine. I see H. Someone with an I. Oh, look at my J. Are you okay? Again, we're for the I. We are for the same PM. The more you learn, the more you earn. Then I'll tell you what you would do with light in my accent. Let's hear me now.
Now what I did I'm fire and I'm about Moncan Chamos study now fire Kwaku.
Yango point at the Mai. Shin count, Yango point at the Mai.
Into Michael.
Pocho in Sana, Yanome.
Na we mo twist tank na hey. Aba sama mo buefu ana.
You buefu ye fie na aba no. Na talent so you need choice be I say you deliver.
Him say ya nsimo for man ka be 3 hours na mo be ko.
Man da mampo or dan ka what 2 hours what they can cause when the fans in we feel
I go buy the future.
Yeah, as Mr. Tim Nkwamba ya konga kankra me me bra started from mentor TV3 mentor na me Adom ya ko final me winning on you so ya finalist but ya ba film for 5 years later you who say chemistry no and I feel the same town until you start to say your content online bibia be sibia na ya bibi so yeah share ya kopon be so e be about to aso bibi so
that comic rap na mo ya was social so in fact ya the release stress pa in the future net say ni
that's the be said them question me feel the my yapere and you put western region on the map. That is the dream. Kwekun wa be fie ma so me fie ni. If you have a shama, I want a war. Kada shama, kada axim. Yeah, it's a dream and then you take western region to the globe.
Saka DC, you know, Kua Dixon and an MP for Jumua. Yeah, Honorable Kofi. I call Yani DC in Cheshen Kwamana, Yankwa Honorable. So, DC Honorable, Memoir Badwam TV. So,
yeah.
In fact, my idea pay 50 day one of this program every single day. Me I made the many who kudos to you.
Thank you very much.
I dear message na baba Mabuna show Adom TV so.
Oh, the American someone said, Madam Nasi. I'm say, you starting programming every day. We are almost on the boy, to this stage. Program on Yadi, that is when they are Safran for. And Jamia do so, Omunaso, Eba boy every day. And Timidobunasi say, oh, my program, I couldn't be a boko.
I feel way here in Kabom a year, Juma Awaksim. Yamia Dom Yaya on my Helim Yadunina. My name is MC, New Bia a year Juma. Well, we did dance, yes, I feel couldn't have him. You can say, Axim man from Piano Moon said, this is our time. We cannot fail the people. They were saying, young bomber, they nearly fate Axim the constituency. Even though me a hunter, but and the money a hunter, a barcon. And I mean, an assault, men and Abema, every Axim has said. To some way, baby, son, I from his say, and found what they better. Then say, Badwam Kofi Aminia, Dixon Aminia.
One word to the fans abroad and home.
I say, Uncle more town. I have a kundum, the festival, I had it. One.
To move, all the best. Everyone say,
Amen, Covenant.
Everyone say,
Amen, Covenant.
I'm for a little smoke, I didn't hear.
I said they call me Amen, Covenant.
Okay, my from manager, bra. What by the stage name they say?
Young Kweku Smoke.
Exactly, Young Kweku Smoke. Now, me tell you or more friend. How many years has he been doing this?
Yeah, I've been doing this for like 3 months now.
Just 3 months?
Yes.
Just 3 months, baby boy. And I will say so, sir.
Yes.
I just say, I'm 1 year, yeah, Ghana, you're Mommy freestyle.
1997 me kai me me mama sisi de ku bia ni na mama sma fa mana committee so ka se bi to ni mre bi ni bi bia ni ale bi ba musu wa fa babo ya me se mai wana babo ya fre me sa mama na ante kasi me papa on kan na me sister to kuma se ye mu eta ya mu o sisi an yi bless and win and mint.
Wow, Axim got talent. But we are looking for say for bigger stage.
Okay, madam.
Thank you. Yadasipi. MACH to the O macho rapper. Yeah, let your best so.
Salomende. I don't know what show. Abishapa, you chroma de Abishapa.
And go for baby names are Hana Ufio.
Sabaka Kundum Joe SMD. Kundum Joe. Namila audio was wazo. Yeah, a lot.
We can't wait to witness because you are too great, too talented.
Today, I'm just trying to pass through. I came to, it's been a while coming home. Okay. I came to see the family and I said, oh, let me just pass through and do something small. Okay. With the help of Honorable Kofiako, you know, yeah, so it's all good, it's all good.
Call me the ITP, salute to me anytime. Call me, downtown Williams, I'm in town, what I mean, hallelujah. I'm gonna go think about you, cause I know that I love you.
No, I say, Mama, who ye my devotion. Ataman come, I was still what I knew soon. No, you don't come to Kowan. Ejamo wada abwabi mbechi mi sananya mi ku anipa da sani dole yeko samane na ma ba ufi
Relito GH yaso ba ha say dia o same style be relito mo akwa Badwam TV so
that's it.
Idea where started that how did it start?
Oh, idea way started from I think say recently and shadan che bia na my friend bia na me ne no adwumam enti oye Kofi Kinata the biggest fan and opposed to Kofi the video be now me who ya na mun say no metimi aye bibi afa ho nti me started from my friend no Kofi video na opposed to no e na edem ya bedu baby am bedu sisia no
and as I say no baka say when ya bibi ye cash out kakran ma relito.
Oh, for now there me say cash out ni there me nyanya bi
numbers ni flow
numbers ni there
numbers na me cash na baba wa line no
Matias here
fabom Boza, me that say. Abusia, the idea, aha, and ya debesi. We share my time na about 4:45 a.m. Yabaha 9 p.m. As at 4:45 a.m. No, let's say your room fiti na najo abesina nopa. I think a main artist bako that is Kofi Kinata Eco Stage. Kwaku smoke crowd me who ni sunsum. Abusia Ghana artist is about time. Mubet me respected fans on my backstage earlier because we've been standing here since 9 p.m. Adiachi awaha 4:46 a.m. now. But any Kofi Kinata church and common no no abaha almost an hour. It's the organizers he's yet to find out. Abusia ya point about ya break ya the besti I say me the sister Sandy be guy Zach Larry I am a camera technician meneno and I'm a director. I am Michael Agbanyo, Nelly Kumson. I am social media executive, and I just see I am job and yeah, and I'm where a guy. We came, we saw, we conquered.
That's yamwa kwa babiem Adom TV Badwam dwumade eso mre no wadaje a wode amayenti yedase. Na ye kai awfo ne abatan nyina nom se cervical cancer a silent killer. Cervical cancer kokromato ma wode no ano na human papilloma virus infection na de eba HPV womo na de sa moyi eba ebejayen so na esan say silent killer into hunu behu an say a spread na fe ene na mumusa na de hu sunso so bebre ebro nyame ya dom yenya vaccine na free 7th to 11th October yade boy ye mama you are no 9 to 14 years free vaccine free 9 to 14 years enti Ministry of Health ene one partners ye bekoko schools ahodo mu na fe yakọ na mofra no emayu no yakọ obo mo sa vaccine we na tumi abo wom ho ban free HPV virus yi ehu wo mu nkwa na nyina yen a ya kan hwa wo mu ma ne de eyi obakọ ne attestel na fe ya hwe de betumi aye bankura no virgins no aha free one virgin ni mu kọ no ane abo mu ho ban tie no wo mu nkwa na nyina no yare bi emma won so tie du ho a Mwadaroma awofo ne abatan na mamam ho kwan na mamma yoa 9 to 14 years no yetimi abo won sa ye vaccine no ebi ya momo vaccine bi 7th to 11th October du ho Wadaroma ya kai na fa ho ejimbi na nyame ya Adom Dr. Sharp aba a woni e ba bedi nkomo na ya hwe nyarewa hodo a oboa saye dog ye mo akwa ba bibia aboko de
bibia aboko
nyame ase papa pa ye hwe ayaresa wode ema wa pomudimu
afia yeda yame ase emi se nipa te enka dia na ye yarewa ene mua yeden haban nam so abua nipa ena abrebia no ye ba beka ho asem se wate ase enti da bia nso no enioma esi we ho no afia bro agwene nti ase so hwe ye wo nneoma bebre wo wiase ye wo won sentafo ba wiase a ye wo mo one day nso no bitimi wugya bi o mo nyina hu one day ade a aba memede sai ade a ebekọ no ye de sa aba na ma na de sa enko won se obi akita nneoma o de ba ati asefo asase so ene ne epushi no adwuma wo ye obi betena anum na o so obetima nsa ne wo de na wo kosoro fa bafa ma oboa wati ase ego bibia nyame de achewo a eye special on se ne ete na aya ye program no eye short nti ene police panyini bi pese o si o pese o kasa
odi adanse o
nti no o ma ya boabo mo no bi yesi ye yidi a megunya kwan kra ne kasa ahemfo ne ade no mo dooso so wati ase nti aya mo ba manafa police back ayi panyini ba kwa ma nti oba na mo de nato line no so ama o se enyedan ya ne o pese odi adanse o mo dooso bebre
yesi o wo sumpo
okay
nti all correct sir
hello no me say
ya mo akwa abo papa
ya obi ade atwede da wo na wonom ti say
ya me adom na oba pese obebo odi ana
oh yes
was questioned about Galamsey. Ye bisa no Galamsey ho asem no. Then no kai say anya hwe no ye nya gold fimo. That was his answer. Where is the spirited fight compared to Ekufuado a sebi 2016 media was fighting Galamsey Ekufuado ka say I am not even not to quote him but in his answer he didn't blame John Mahama for Galamsey because he knew say a problem a age old. But the problem was he wasn't fighting it. Ekufuado in his first quarter laid down a plan which included banning small-scale mining, something which ultimately affected 2020 elections. Because what do we see? We are fighting it, making sure say in Bebununa omoko jinemu washing chemicals ya de omu use. Say you get the money today. Those people, 10 years, 15 years time, if they are all well. I really worry for them. Omwankasa sabi mu use na chemicals no ko change you mo. How about mo amujina why you're not even wearing protective gear or clothing or anything? Nipe mu na ye nam wiase asase su. Uti car mu kra na okọ ejuma fumes from a car in front of you. Toxins going into your body. How much more immersing your body in water over Galamsey to watch to get gold?
Abai 9 more see what your monam quite bring to more the blue guard your mo bomb pempo so to ensure say Galamsey for ya to tell mo abua na you mo nyina free.
You see
we nyina the good effort of Jomama to deal with Galamsey.
There's nothing new that they've done. Blue guards in your pencil when we inaugurated them we call them river wardens.
Okay.
No more yellow and black.
Okay.
We call them river wardens to police the water bodies. What was the difference between what we did? In banning small-scale mining, yenim said na your friend say Galamsey illegal mining had taken center stage. 20 months now, we saw a change in the waters. Now, what will prove him wrong? Masendo a document. If you can project
so
it on your screen. It tracks a decade of water quality across Ghana's major rivers and reservoirs.
Okay.
And kamu project will screen as well.
Yeah, project.
And kebeboa ama etifo ehu any ashefo.
Yeah, project yamo.
And this report, annual report from Ghana Water Resources Commission.
Okay.
Now we share water quality classification now. Red. Red means grossly polluted, meaning say chemicals near there or mode a wash gold near the minerals. It means that it's polluted the water.
Yeah.
If you look at 2012 all the way to 2015, and you go all the way down from Pong, you have Pong, Main Volta, Sukakope, Ajina, Bamboy, Daboya. So you know part of Upper East and the North. We also mine there. You know parts of Ashanti. You know parts of Eastern. All the way Dunkonofin, Mangwase, Chimoda, Lake Busimchi, that DSO. Oh, who produce me didn't know
you project here,
on Fantasonate for any actual phone. You would see a clear red flag as far as the years were concerned. So the minute.
Which years now can one say me?
I'm talking about it marks his presidency between 2012 and 2012 and
2013, 2014, 2015, 2016.
Yes. You see Uber all the way come down to specific areas, especially within Ashanti, Eastern, Honuseno.
Okay,
you see.
Say, Niamim who are Hanum no. So we share a free there are two screens no. So the 2012 the other me who know sooner ya can was mana any aye ko pano. Domina say and cobra. Osino brim. Dabwase, that's River Pra, Weja Lake, Elubo River, River Tano, Prestia and Cobra, Adiama River of Fame, Aframsum. Then, but also 2016, lower voter, na any around by 83.7%.
Yes.
Now,
in 2021. And we need to find out why those improvements came.
So but in 2021, that same river, a dropping from 83.07 to 81.14.
Yes. And if you look at
no, I didn't say it. And
red. Yeah. Now, if you look at Prestia River and Cobra.
Okay.
In the poorest state, it was at 34.9.
Okay.
Right. This was 2014. Who was president there? Some of the worst states, and Cobra, 30 in 2014. We saw it at its worst state again in 2019 when the ban lifted. Do you understand? Now my point also is that Sebi yeka galamsey enya unhwe nipa kono party colors nowadays so. But who say it has devastating effects not only on the environment but on the people. The reports coming from these areas, deformed babies. We are talking about organ failure. We are talking about even otiakra. Now ufa etiwa, almost vegetables from etiwa. Now they said mercury laced mercury traces in those vegetables. Now what I will say we'll fighting galamsey, we'll fighting say.
Okay.
Now you sat here and said we have not given a single license. But license, license. License. You don't need a license. So when you say not a single license has been given out, it doesn't prove a point that you are fighting the menace. Because your John Mahama no nenumutu say yenya bibi fimu. Gold Board a few almost 2 months ago or 5 weeks ago, my sister station Asempa, I was on there and I stated categorically say Gold Board galamsey and omode fund. Why? Because third parties are the ones who go and mop up gold. No? Gold no sebe. Yembane can say, oh, papa, ubata carry weigh 2 kilos. Na 2 kilos ye gold. Inti ene de ba de bi kitin kakra ni aboa no. Ni de ba nti nipa ne be titini morea ko 2 gold naba. No metia ne kakra bi. Oba Gold border ye discanner man. Now we now because we fighting galamsey. Who are you kidding? Because president's name when say yenya ehun fasuo bi.
But I say
we are not fighting galamsey.
I got so a special aid to Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and say the council ehwe bedwem on Adom TV. You know, I see. It's just some few 5 minutes manager. Me so enko Ben.
I go see. But I say Minia akusia kasani. Ose President Mahama Brusona. Excavators be bush.
Based on the buy first. On obie you need to excavators. Now get the pickers and go
on. Who said me shas and I'm in person may man no some bebre. Inti me can say be crab we kufado so or no bit me aye. But nipa bi e wona ho na one according to Professor from Pomboatin. Enyam obi na bekan. Okay. Enyo Asiedu Nketia na bekan. Nipa na odi adwuma ne man say share ne say onhwe so no. Yeah. Obekire ne challenges a onyan. Go through. Okay. So what you say? Inti ada ne ye beka say na asem no kan ye nto nkyene. Ye do baby an na gufu ado ankasa. Eno na okasa ma akonta mining. Of which some of us think that there you shouldn't do it. Ebia say any ebia because am me grada na me cancer asemi because ebia kwan kode me bi ho na me say yem provide data ebia obi call nsu bi ho say unia Erasmus me born abasopa because the man were very risky. Sure. Now me say money pa ba ko a wo kuma say what say illegal mining see ko to share no so bro ne ade akwese say ko mining site nipa what area mo ho no indigents no kakra bi na ka ho dodo na ya ho kwa wo fi be bi ba sure dodo na ebi fi Burkina ebi fi Cote d'Ivoire no mo ne ade e no nga ba ho enti se opese utu sa de su sa akwese me de baby ehia me ye say e betimi a sustain. Okay. You fight against na ebenya no. Absolutely. Okay. Because all you are na ujai na sangba ya nya plan ka fa kwesi konso ejina kwenti amfa so bi ene na ye ne so and it's na me say senior President Mahama chire na dwen ne style se bi so no na be ya so na mche no ne style a opese o employ no the fighting that I'm saying I mean ne wie adwen crew mu pe because one den a gold na sha asasi mu there ye betu na mom ye were responsible mining and ye were irresponsible mining. Okay. Ye were illegal mining and ye were illegal mining. Sorry, ye were legal, right? Yeah. Ye were illegal. It be ye nyam famra council. Who are license all right. Untu unsu unra kwa ability. Unya ura hwa license na ukrai no. So what you say? Webu ne nhihye so. It enya ne aye kan ke. President Mahama buy no na galamsey. Etu ate say the daw. Oh, okay. Ntina na me pese make ye ne oye ni bi. Second and half first. First no because oba ka say oba first na galam say two ate say that. Professor Mills na come fa ne crazy. O ka say oko tinatiwa. Yeah. Bremuso. Yeah. A not boot ma. O say ne were ho ipa. Sure. So I be no hand on president. Newmont ba Ghana. There be an American sa man from adwen ko ho. E ka ho na betu ate say oko. Newmont for no. Yes. Oh how? Because akwesi we exploration. Newmont for the counter galaxy. Na mention of can see sujina because we free no so. Serious I think we need. No, yeah, until I miss a man. Newmont counter galaxy tier men ka say wo ka ho. Me say Newmont ba Ghana. Okay. Focus wo ka ho e different from say wo ba Ghana. Okay. Wo ba no we explorations. Okay. Well, okay, we say like wo hwe be a gold war. Yeah. Ono your company kakra ko fi America ba. Open fa so kese. Into okoko na say deposit the honey kakra bia oja hoko. Sure. So what I say na kromafo ne hu into ko achem techima no me ade ade a say no na e ma wo ngani ba sa na me so. Okay. So hina no sha asio asem na ba prempren nia na kufu ado ne na ban ba ye hui ene so because so NDC for no cra to say MPP buy no na ba mu penfo hye mu no ye bia allegation amate ne FIA national organizer ora Joseph Amen. Okay. And I am vice chairperson. Okay. Ora Banga. Yeah. Allegation ne kire say won ato illegal from them tax force, thank you. Enti won no wo bua astop galam say na mo me bia enya ne na abanga ma won kwan say mutimeti o say ku ne de mate eno ye different from say exactly absolutely true. Nti na ban no o take ra wan transfer de say nka enya hwe but dia ma yoko munya hwehwem ya we say asem no ye be ne den eno na kire ahofama opera say anko ba say asem esikra ye no ma nya hwe nti no
ebe bokwan ama fofo so aye ayo kwan ayo man nyina president Mahama after 4 years obeko
on say on
se nipa wo ye ntimi anso ano prekwa eno nechi nsem
open PSC utum say anopen ne ho yera ono pa because o hwe the way Galamsey no or differ baby emfa because atamils
timo alternative here then
atamils breso ena Galamsey no accelerate na John Mahama buy no say pickaxe ho ne ade ya wo yi ma me nkofa excavators mbra ena ade no
okasa fa president was there say but not also be fair to the president.
I'm saying that just like they did to us, Nyama Esino, nothing. Then he bears the ultimate
so like not person excavators nearby, yeah. But it can also be said, say, on a mere excavators nearby.
Say, if he was looking for a solution, that solution is to make sure that they mine responsibly. Now the equipment, banner excavators can one. Excavator ni ehun bida. Into the numbers that he came for the first time, or no na or they buy. Me say, I'm saying that Adia workers say they are fighting no quarry because we saw in the thick of the campaign 2020. Tama Ekufuado said, say, I will put my presidency on the line. Not the Tony Obins ni one paying for. We were NDC were in the forest near Adikache won't say. Yebe Mamwa then Amani John Mahama voice. He into even 2024 he telling them say anybody who was arrested because of Galamsey will be given amnesty. One can. So how then do you want us to believe now? Say Obeso on fighting Galamsey. Okay. You put voters.
One and
Ukase Kejefo was a licensed miner. No, a licensed miner. I tell you that again, as a spirited fighter, you have given an example, say, on Mampinda de Kufuado bent the excavators of the women organizer of the NDC. And here can say the last time I miss a year Sempa, Professor, NDC ni, also every 3 months was a task force now. Woko stop it. One say now heckle me no. One say a truth no whoa. I feel heckle me. Person make us. Me say task force now what they won't call. So one call police Galamsey is no one stop it one. They change them every 90 days. Now what corner bar within 90 days they bought houses, they bought cars. He said it on a sister station opposite us, and this the evidence is there. But I say, it's where you party more. You do not believe in you put votes above government. Special
to Dr. Bawia. Yanko ponchira msana po msube cancer emetric mo. So happy birthday. Enko enfama ewie. Nana Amaswaga Dompe. May the heavens grant the wishes of your heart, and my friend turned sister, know that you are loved from your beautiful family and friends. Also, happy birthday to Mr. Michael Ebenezer Ashon. Great staffer to gain knowledge from Dokas Tete. I wish you all the best. Yamishta no yawina kesi. Ye den wa ba no bedi komobe. Esi bedwam die. Ye ba esi. Okay, so now it's a this is an extended version of Bedwam on Adom TV, and it was special coverage be at the amount. And then Kokomba group and Abedi and Komo. More Kokomba penny for pa e wo fijemu. Ye no mo Ebabedi and Komo. Konkoma planners. Cultural planners. And on the pay no Babedi and Komo. It is all to sound no what here. Akudi akra babe show and that one no. Abem, a see, a fa, eti. But Mumbra. What's Mumbra? I can't say. Mumbra, eti. We are Kokoma for no eba. Kokoma cultural planners for an eba no pay. Ya no baby D and command no pay. No mama say. Kokoma na kasano. If you ever see eti. Nice one. Eti bia na unim konkomba enwum ne bia. Ebi na no pay wait eti. We enwum na mo boy. Where beat be na mo boy. Indeed.
Yeah.
What is it?
That is the intro.
Intro.
Yes.
Intro to
the dance. When a man pass away.
Okay.
This is the intro.
Okay.
To perform a man's funeral dance.
Okay.
Or when you this dance is hunters dance.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Or when they go for hunting.
Okay.
And then they get their praise and then they are coming back. They use these songs to come home. Yeah, it is. We can also call it victory song. Let's see, the conquered for victory song.
Okay. It is a man called Enurem no more eba. A man ye de ofi.
A man ya sorry. Etam haban na nema nchense a emuso son na ye de bo fom na ye neje na ye mene ehia homo kwa
enam no mo de beninti ana
ko ne de homo ko de ben
eji enye nam ne gua but ekurimdi no makọ so mo kọ enwurem no mo timi asa abafie no mo bafie so mo de ade ebafie okay so that's all about this enwuri.
This is all about the intro that let's say also when you have an encounter with your enemy, then you overcome, you come home with what? When you are coming, this is the praise songs that they used to welcome you.
Okay.
So in short, I'll say this is a victory song.
Konkomba Culture Planners Troop. When bit me abe joining.
Acho ebusuan bia tumi be dwane.
Okay.
Ebusuan bia
enye konkoma fonko.
Baby. Ebusuan bia betumi abedwane bi. Because konkoma ka chafanes na yamwa ya boaboa ya ho.
Okay.
Because ya o bebre wa yentam a o ntumi nsa.
Yeah.
Ba o mo wa yentam.
Okay.
E fa ne se bibi hia ya obetumi aboa ya. E na ebi hia ono so a betumi aboa no. Enye group kekese ya nam se ya boa ya ho.
Okay.
Like sana mutia asamutu obi ebi mutumi koboa no de say ekuo sana ya kitanti ekuo bi abetumi abemu bi nya konkoma fonko ha
okay
me fan say yewo as we stand now me fan say your organization you know every organization we have shareholders in the organization. Let's see if you are not a konkoma and then you are willing to support the movement.
Okay.
You join as a shareholder.
Okay.
You support us in our activities. Then when you also need our service, then we render it.
Okay. So what have been brought about this whole Konkomba Culture Planners Troop?
You see, in every society, your culture is your identity.
Sure.
So it gets to a time we saw that our culture is fading out.
Okay.
So 2017, we installed a youth chief in Accra.
Okay.
His name was then Obar Ntebe Bewalte.
Okay.
That was 2017.
Yeah.
See, so he brought this idea that as we are in Accra and then our culture is fading out, we should have an association. And then the association who will hold this culture so that it won't fade off. So that we use it to teach the young ones that we are giving
to sustain generations. Okay, to be person join the Konkomba Culture Planners Troop. Number be no be free. They are joining.
0242.
0242.
Yes.
Okay.
96
40
71.
Mention again.
0242.
0242.
96 40 71.
Afi nyum no eje kwam dey akwasinsin yakpo ya admeda dwada. Ye be say dey hia on bedwamti. Bo nyum no na ja e fa ba eja me kwan.
Jayo. Ye likrimo matine zauna ki sala ne chala magwani ni be ye.
I think we want to acknowledge our chiefs. I think we are in Adom TV, and we need to acknowledge them because we will not be there if they are not there. Nkpakpando abarli tiabe Adom anakun kichakwi pon tijo idun kijuti aso bora kama bekwitia nja ado chati ombar ido empire chati obar ntebe bewalt kwali to kwali abar Accra Central Business District akwa ambara ya 2017 o nampi kana chink anya bank mana Accra na lala ngapa nkpakpa nka ta wanka ya lalenga tebale trele ngane ka ubaja njo so tebale trele aya san obar ka ya blon che kama ka abekwete ya da apwank ditit asa minister asa MP asa DC asa MC asa CEO asa director aya blon che kama ka so kwanje ya talaba na trele obar bak nkal ngmana nde nkpakpa ndeke de bom ndana aya kwi nkal mna la banya na ka chata wal kana che ya na ka fi le palawo na we abena benchana kala ku yin ka kana konko baga cha plan se la jo le wale ba akrado an ka aya fu yitimi ba pon ba gurbe le wale awam ka bet bana asarwa kinya na konko baga cha plan se la ba akra ka bangana yabo so talaba na atrele ke na tita mpwa ngetala ngade konko baga cha plan de chu kada mu durnya aya kwi lonje kama talabo ya bingira ke lawal mna lasa wa chal te sagana ne ba akalan la chawun bi alasa wonlu ya aya wanka akal amunul wankan ba kiyambu ya ngana nkpakpando abarli benin nyumbe nkpakpando ya kana ta fanu na bonati kongo ga ja planes kongo ga ja planes sekati nkpakpando mulblema ni ala tire tlana lana benimbiya kongo maka cha planet nan bonk te sento ko ba atabo la de idon kedeti ubar bankal na mo da first kaswa gumwa fete abar unso ko ambara ka benu ache ya la la ko udete de bonus na programs ka pa kiyan la gamba barli banguru ya mo ke na ta fa na bonti ka cha planet ka wala ga fa no bonati bona kan ngalam banka yor we chudu ado ko komlin yor ubar kunja tasa and sif pasa akpambar obar bengali wolaler pandai ocha obar sakojim matir the fourth kiyan doni otindambar benabeba wolaler abecha bob lalaga ne ta fana na boniti la kpan lemena ne cha ne nembelebele kwi kwankoma ka cha planes landa ngbe la kpan linaya ngade nkpakpande ke de bom dandar azu kama abelo ababe kalande abelo ne ka pantrim ka adatar gicha nkalang minansan ya waka bake alayite mbalang mingata ba liya bo 0242964071 ayayinte mbalang mingibo kiya banke atrtentrim kama ya ntrengba ngalapi konkoma ka cha planes yeba bagwa pam tinga kinyaba nlicha tele kpampwa we ya sedu tali kpampwa ba ti ala tinga de gba chuta le bo sa kulun be dare la ma de bom ki ya tala le ma sa kulun kedar la nyin ka de bom umbaram bi no bolon ki kama na ba ka bekwitia